Brokerage paid for the purchase of land is answer option A, capital expenditure. Before vouching the purchases and sales of a business concern, the auditor should examine the efficiency of dash adopted in the business. Answer B, internal check. Reserve fund invested by the society is shown on the dash. Answer C, asset side of balance sheet. Alteration in the audited figures is one of the disadvantages of dash audit. Answer option A, continuous audit. Pledge is defined in the Dash Act. Answer option A, Indian Contract Act 1872. Service area approach was adopted by Answer option B, RBI. Which of the following is not shown on the face of the balance sheet? Answer A, contingent liability. The headquarters of National Federation of Spinning Mills is at Answer option B, Mumbai. Sale of building is credited in the sales account is an error of Answer C, error of principle. Dash is the first development bank in the country. Answer B, IFCI. Audit fee of a primary consumer cooperative society is calculated on the basis of Answer option A, sale proceeds. Ownership dividend is related to dash societies. Answer option B, joint farming societies. Name the endorsement where an endorser of a negotiable instrument may express words in endorsement which excludes his own liability. Answer D, sans recourse endorsement. System of note issue followed by India. Answer option C, minimum reserve system. The book maintained by the auditor to note down all enquiries made during the course of audit, replies received, etc. is known as. Answer C, audit notebook. The difference in figures is dash and causes for their existence are brought to light. Answer option C, reconciled. Dash banks are required to maintain CRR with Reserve Bank of India. Answer option D, scheduled banks. Chaudhary Brahmaprakash committee was appointed by. Answer option A, Planning Commission. Method of creating charge on immovable properties. Answer option B, mortgage. RRB were recommended by. Answer option D, Narasimham committee. One among the following is not statutory reserve. Answer option A, dividend equalization fund. Every commercial bank is required to maintain certain percentage of its deposit with the central bank is called. Answer option B, cash reserve ratio. The method of authenticating the fact of dishonor of a bill by a notary public is called. Answer option A, noting. The growth of the modern cooperative movement was established with the success of answer option B, Rockdale pioneers. In a cooperative society, profit is shared on the basis of answer option C, bylaw provisions. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും മാർക്ക് കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. നാളത്തെ എക്സാം എഴുതുന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും ബെസ്റ്റ് വിഷസ്.